opinions. We are going to talk about opinions. And the goal is to write an opinion piece. Have you ever written an opinion piece before? Never. Have you written a persuasive paper before? Today, though, we're going to work on opinion pieces. And what I want you to do is I want you to take about 2 minutes, and I want you to think of, write down on your whiteboards all the words that you think of when you think of the word argument or opinion. You're writing all the words you can think of when you think of the word opinion. So what's an opinion? Think about that and write that down on your whiteboard. Words that you think of.
First hour of the day.
It could be a definition or words that are similar to opinion. Take maybe one more minute and put down your last thoughts, and then we'll talk about what you got down. So you've got a couple of good things already, both of you. Okay, so what did you come up with? Ari, what did you come up with?
Someone telling another person their own thought.
Okay, so that's great. Thought is definitely another good word for opinion. What about you, Haley?
I think opinion means disagree.
Okay, you could disagree. Very good. How about, could you agree? Could you agree with something and still be an opinion? Can my opinion be the same as your opinion? Possibly, right? How about Ari? Do you and Kaylee always have the same opinions about things? You guys are best friends, but do you have opinions about the same thing? You have different thoughts. Here's a few other words that you can write down that have to do with opinions. A belief is one. The way you believe about something, that's an opinion. Okay? How about argument? What do you think of when you think of argument? You just raise your hand. What do you think of? A fight? Okay. Is there another way to think of argument so it's not negative? Okay. So a disagreement maybe? All right. I want you to think about this definition. Argument is a reason or set of reasons with the aim of trying to persuade someone to believe in something. So if I have an argument that I believe that cell phones should not, kids should not have cell phones, that's my argument, that's my opinion. But I need to have reasons to explain why I believe that way. That is considered an argument. And today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to write an effective opinion piece. An opinion piece is a piece of writing that you would write to get someone to believe what you believe. Kind of like persuasive writing, but you're stating your opinion and reasons why you believe that way. So, here's a couple of topics I want to throw at you. Students at Fort McCall should wear school uniforms. Now I saw your face, and your faces were like, I don't know if I like that idea. Okay, but that's what's going to happen. Okay, Gordon McCaw is going to have school uniforms.
That's a real.
It's fake. But what if that was going to happen? Do you believe that Gordon McCaw should have school uniforms? Do you have a belief that Gordon McCaw should have school uniforms? Why? This is the important part of an opinion piece. You have to have your reasons as to why. So don't say them out loud. What I want you to do is I want you to think about that for a minute and write some of those reasons down on your whiteboards. Why you believe that students at Gordon McCaw should not wear school uniforms.
So did you hear any precedents where you maybe can
Take one more minute. All right, finish your thoughts, and let's share out what we came up with. Okay, so both of you said no way to school uniforms. So give me a reason why you think that school uniforms should not. People might forget to wear them. Okay.
You might get them messy and have to pull some money out for a new one.
So you might have to buy more. Okay. So what about the thought that maybe school uniforms would cost too much money? Think that would be a good reason? But what if they were the same price as regular clothes? Let's say you could buy one, let's say the outfit you're wearing right now, if you were to wear that to school, you can buy the same, you can use the same amount of money to buy a school uniform as you spent on those clothes. Would you still want to wear school uniforms? It's one of those things that makes you think, right? Okay. When you decide that you're on your topic that you're going to write about your opinion, this is the way you'd want to write your opening statement. You would say, I believe or do not believe students at Gordon McCaw should wear uniforms. And that would be your opening statement or your introduction. You want to be very specific about your opinion. Notice I didn't say I believe that or do not believe that students should wear uniforms. I specifically said Gordon McCaw because that was the topic and that's where you go to school, right? So that's how you would write your introduction. The second step is you have to be able to have reasons as to why you believe this way. And you both came up with some reasons as to why you believe the way you believe. Just like with regular writing, it's important that you have details to back up your reasons. Okay? What do you think your last part of your opinion piece would be? Good. That goes in the body of your writing, but the very end. How do you think you would want to end your opinion piece? You hope that we do it the same way, you think the same thing. Actually, you're going to restate your introduction at the end. So you have this at the beginning, you have your reasons in the middle, and at the very end, you're just restating the same thing. Because you want to be able to make sure that reader knows exactly what you believe. You want your reasons to be strong enough that they understand what you believe, and then you restate it at the end. Okay? Now, I am going to have you take one of these. This is an opinion sandwich graphic organizer. Okay, think of it like a sandwich. It's in layers. The very first thing you do is you do your opinion statement, which is your introduction. Reason 1 and details. Reason 2, details. And reason 3, details. A good opinion piece is going to have 3 reasons with details. Can you think of other topics that might be fun to write about for opinion pieces? What? Fruit or vegetable. Okay. You're doing that one in your class? How about
Convincing your mom and dad to get you a phone.
convincing mom and dad to get you a phone? Okay. What reasons would you be able to come up with that would back up why you should have a cell phone?
If there's an emergency,
Okay. Now, if you say emergency, what type of emergency? Be specific.
like if dad's in the hospital and mom's at work.
Okay. So is that likely going to happen very often? Okay. What if you get stuck somewhere and you miss your bus or you miss your ride? See, those are some other reasons to think about when you say an emergency. You definitely want to be able to have details to back it up. Right? So, what is the most effective way to state your opinion? How do you do your opinion statement? Write it out. What would you say? Let's say that you want to be able to have cell phones, or you think that 4th graders should have cell phones. How would you write that opinion statement?
I think fourth graders should have cell phones because
You don't even have to say because you're going to say that in your business. You would say, I believe, or I do not believe that 4th graders should have cell phones. And then when you start your first reason, you say, first, I believe that they should have cell phones because what if there is an emergency? And then you go into details about the emergency. Make sense?
Like, to teach people.